Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make sardine bread, and this bread was so delicious. In a bowl, I'll add flour. I'm using bread flour, sugar. I'm using instant yeast. It doesn't need to be proofed before use. Salt. The salt should not have direct contact with the yeast. Mix the dry ingredients together. I'll open the sardine and remove the oil. Add egg, sardine oil. If you don't have enough sardine oil, you can top it up with vegetable oil. Warm milk. Mix until a dough is formed. I'll remove the spatula and work with my hands. I'll transfer the dough to a work surface. Knead the dough for at least 15 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. You can use your stand mixer to do this as well. To test if the dough is well kneaded, cut a little bit of it. Gently stretch it. If it doesn't tear, that means the dough is well kneaded. Or you press it with your finger and it bounces back. I'll add a little bit of oil in the bowl and oil the bowl. Place the bread dough, cover and keep it in a warm place to rise for an hour until it doubles in size. While the bread is rising, I'll transfer the sardine inside the bowl. I'll remove the bones or any other thing inside the sardine I don't like. I'll add a little bit of dried pepper, optional, and mix them together. The bread dough is ready. I'll press to remove gas from the dough. I'll flour the work surface. Place the dough. And I'll divide it into two. I'm making 2 loaves of bread. And I'll flatten the dough. Add sardine and spread it on it. Roll up the dough. Pinch to seal the end of the dough. I'll repeat this process with the other half. Add a little bit of oil in the pan and oil the pan. Place the dough and press it down. Cover and leave to rise for 40 minutes to an hour. After 40 minutes, the bread dough is ready. Brush with sardine mixed with oil. I'll cover the bread pan. You can bake without covering the pan as well. I'll transfer them to a preheated oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. 25 minutes later, the sardine bread is out of the oven. They are ready. Remove the sardine bread from the bread pan. Allow the bread to cool down before stirring or slicing the bread. And at this point, my whole house smells amazing. Just look at how beautiful this sardine bread looks. Just look at how beautiful this sardine bread looks. So soft and very fluffy. Let's open the sardine bread. Can you see? This sardine bread was very delicious. Trust me, this will be the best bread you've ever had. Will you be trying it out? If you do, let me know how yours came out. It was really delicious. Once the bread are well cold, I store them in bread bag. You can keep the bread in the pantry. It can last up to a week. You can also store the bread in the freezer, and the bread can last for months in the freezer. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.